What vapes can I get for $20? Technologyia. Vaping under $20. Manage expectations, no advanced features, short battery life, careful with cheaper materials. Inikin Endura T18-2, 1300 mAh battery, 2.5 ml tank, adjustable airflow. Vaporesso Orca Solo, 1.5 ml tank, 800 mAh battery, great for beginners. Aspire K2, 1.8 ml tank, 800 mAh battery, 1.6 ohm coil. Joytech Eco AIO, 2 ml tank, 1500 mAh battery, child lock system. SMOK Nord, 3 ml tank, 1100 mAh battery, adjustable airflow, great for beginners and experienced vapers. Technologyia Twist, 1.6 ml tank, 650 mAh battery, adjustable voltage. Elif Just S, 4 ml tank, 3000 mAh battery, 0.3 ohm coil.